When the sun sinks below the tree line in rural Texas, most people lock their doors, switch on the porch light, and settle in for the night. But not everyone. For a select group of American hunters, dusk marks the beginning of their most dangerous work, tracking the wild boar in the countryside after dark. Wild boars are considered one of the most destructive invasive species in America. Under darkness, they become even more unpredictable, raiding crops, digging up pastures, smashing through irrigation lines, and causing millions of dollars in damage every year. Farmers hear them before they see them. The heavy grunts, the crunch of hooves through dry soil, the rustle of bodies pushing through brush.
Night hunting isn't peaceful. It's not quiet. It's not safe. It's a test of nerve. Every sound amplified by the darkness. Every movement a potential threat. For hunters like Jake Morgan, a former rancher who now helps landowners manage boar populations, the adrenaline is part of the job.
Walking through waist-high grass, he knows he might be just a few yards away from a herd of wild pigs without realizing it. Boars don't flee from humans, they challenge them. One wrong step, one loud crunch of a twig, and the darkness can explode into chaos as a massive boar charges, tusks flashing.
The night hunt usually begins with the distant rumbling of hooves, an unmistakable warning that the herd is on the move. Hunters scan the shadows, searching for silhouettes darting through the brush. Every breath hangs in front of them like fog, and tension fills the air as the forest comes alive.
Despite the danger, night hunts serve a necessary purpose. In many rural states, farmers depend on experienced hunters to protect their crops, livestock, and property from destruction. A single herd of wild pigs can tear apart an entire field overnight, leaving losses in the thousands.
In night hunting, precision is paramount, and laser technology has revolutionized accuracy. Laser sights enable hunters to pinpoint targets in total darkness, slashing the chances of missed shots or undue animal suffering. This heightened efficiency allows for swift, decisive takedowns, cutting down engagement time. To promote responsible use, hunters must pass vision tests to secure a license, underscoring the priority of safety. With laser-guided precision, hunters strike a vital balance between effective boar population control and ethical practices.
Aduh.